I'm going to show you a couple of acupressure points that are good for relieving sinus problems, nasal congestion, if your nose is blocked, if you have pain in your sinuses. And I'm also going to show you a couple of acupressure points to relieve jaw pain and TMJ, Bruxism. So here we go. The first points are for the opening up your sinuses. So place your fingertips, and I'd like you to use both your middle, your longest, and your index, and go underneath your cheekbone like this. Rub underneath the cheekbone so that you're not on the bone here, but you're beneath it, and press up. Take some slow, deep breaths and give yourself just enough pressure so that if you feel a little bit of a soreness, it kind of hurts good. That's the right amount of pressure for you. So hold these points and take at least 3 or 4 or 5 slow, deep breaths, and it'll help to open up your sinuses. Now, for your jaws, the points are right in here. Okay, so the bone makes a corner right in here, and you're pressing right on the masseter muscle. You clench your molars, and you'll feel this muscle pop out. If you put your fingers right here, clench your molars like you're chewing gum, or you're chewing you're clenching your back molars, and you'll be able to feel that muscle pop out. So press right on that muscle, unclench your molars, but you're right on that muscle, and apply some firm pressure to it. Close your eyes and take some nice deep breaths. Nice, slow, long, deep breaths. Now this is for jaw problems, TMJ, and to relieve bruxism. You'll need to apply pressure to these points for a few minutes at a time, 2 or 3 times a day, to get the best results. And if you continue to do it, you'll find that in just a few weeks, you're going to start to create progress. And if over a few months, you'll be able to really nip it in the bud, and particularly if this is chronic. Now, if you just have recently had a little sinus congestion, boy, you press these points and it'll open up your sinuses and it'll work like a charm. That's what acupressure is all about, is to use this wherever you are. You can use your fingers, or you can use the palms of your hands like this, applying the pressure inward so that you're giving firm pressure to those muscles that pop out when you clench your jaw. You'll be able to feel that muscle pop out. You want to give that muscle firm pressure. It's compression, and that releases the tension. It'd be actually a really good treatment for bruxism that you can do yourself. Bruxism is that clenching that so many of us have when we clench our teeth at night, and we wake up and you kind of feel that tension in there. Also, when you open up your jaw, like if you're going to eat a sandwich, and then your jaws start to go into spasm, you'll be able to prevent this using these points right here. So I encourage you to use these points on a daily basis to prevent these problems, and to use them whenever you're starting to feel a little blockage in your sinuses or in your jaws, to discover the benefits.